Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to back to English Speak with me. Guys, you know, very tips now till learn. So guys, you have too many tips I have. I will read many video. I gone. Guys, you English speaking course. You know that if you want to English speaking, so that first you daily read and watch my video and practice. Then after you conversation, without practice you cannot English speaking course. So guys, English is only a language. So you first daily practice, daily read, daily conversation, many person, your family. If you want to English, frankly English speaking, to show that commitment yourself. So guys, I know you all English speaking want to speak. So that every time request you and doubt, daily watch my mobile, daily read and daily practice and conversation, your family, your friend, your shop and near ABC. Guys, you know, English is only language. You think completely English translator learn and after one day will English speak. No, never. Daily watch, read and practice very need and important. Without practice, without conversation, never cannot English speak. So guys, I am not American, I am Indian. My language is Hindi. So suddenly not English speak, frankly English speaking. So guys, if you want to English, that I will English, so every day will have to English speak. Guys, you know, English, if you want that every day little story in English, anything story, you purchase English book and one day daily one story of English, read, practice, translate. Very need and important. If you want English speak, first time commitment from today, not today, English speaking, English conversation, English practice, English read book, English a story. So guys, without English conversation, without English practice, without English story, without English newspaper, without English news watch, you can't English speak. So guys, very important, I have you tips, many tips, not till I gone. But no, without English practice, every day I have given you many tips, but no practice, no conversation, totally waste. If you want English speak, so guys, daily practice, daily watch, daily read, daily learn, daily conversation. Without conversation, can't speak English. So guys, thank you very much. Best of luck. Thank you.